Guys, you are gonna love this one. I am gonna give Candy Blossom to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna give you a few seconds to go ahead and do both of those, and let's get into the video.
Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Just thought I'd quickly create an updated tutorial showing you how to get Candy Blossom in Grow a Garden. This is a really easy method and it does just use some Grow a Garden codes that you can use right now. And this is the easiest method. I spent a long time searching Google and trying methods off YouTube videos. And I've actually managed to finally find a way to get Candy Blossom for free in Grow a Garden. So I thought I'd share this with my loyal subscribers. If you're new here, make sure you also subscribe and hit the like button if you want to see more tutorials like this. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get into the tutorial and show you how to get Candy Blossom in Grow a Garden. So as you can see here, I've got my mobile phone. I've opened up the internet browser, and what you're going to want to do, guys, is head on over to www.coldcoupons.com. So as you can see, guys, you've just got to type it exactly like this into your internet browser. Feel free to pause the video, copy this down. Very important you go to this website. Now when you reach this website, they have loads of pages. So what you're going to want to do is use that search bar at the top of the screen. So just tap in there, and in there type Grow a Garden. And you're looking for this Roblox Grow a Garden codes page. As I mentioned, this is a simple code that you can redeem in game, and it's going to supply you with tons of Candy Blossom. So you can see these are really popular codes and they're highly rated. So scroll down until you find the Candy Blossom code, and they have codes for tons of different things. Keep going. Here we go, 100 Candy Blossom. So this is a Grow a Garden code that's going to get 100 Candy Blossom in Grow a Garden for free. Like I said, guys, these are by far the best codes that I found, and I spent hours, literally hours this morning searching and trying codes. And I was trying tons of codes that didn't actually work, and these ones did. I was very surprised when it actually gave me Candy Blossom. So essentially, guys, because these are limited codes, and obviously 100 Candy Blossom is pretty rare and desirable, you will need to unlock your personal Grow a Garden code. So it says here, the code will be revealed in the box after verification. So you can see your Grow a Garden code is sort of like hidden here and locked. You need to unlock your code, guys, by clicking this button and following the instructions here. It says complete 2 of the free offers below to unlock your code from Cold Coupons. And these are sort of applications and free surveys. As you can see, they're all completely free, really easy to complete as well. So as an example, this is a survey. It says answer the questions and fill in valid details. So if you choose a survey, all you need to do is answer the questions and input a valid email address, and that one will be complete. Then you can go ahead and choose a different one. So this one is an application. Download and install the app and create a free account. So you'd basically grab this app from the App Store and just create an account. You may see different ones as well. They're all completely free and super easy. If you do everything, your code will then be unlocked. So if you complete 2 of those free tasks, your Grow a Garden code will be fully revealed in this box here, and you can go ahead, redeem it in Grow a Garden, and that is going to supply you with 100 Candy Blossom seeds. So this is by far the best and quickest and easiest method to get Candy Blossom in Grow a Garden. Just head on over to Cold Coupons. If you need any help or have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comment section below, or you can send me a PM or contact me on Instagram, whatever, guys. So yeah, I hope you found this video useful. Hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials like this one, and I'll see you next time, guys. Enjoy.